Hi guys, how to remove green screen in CapCut. Now, go to the top left, click Media, then press Import. Here is the mistake most beginners make. They skip organizing their files first. Navigate to your computer files and open the video clip that contains the green screen. Click and drag your main background media into the timeline first. This is very important. Then drag the green screen clip directly on top of it so they are layered. Wrong order equals nothing works. Select the green screen clip in the timeline. In the top right panel, go to the Video tab, select Cutout, and check the box for Chroma Key. Keep watching because the next step is where the magic actually happens. Click the Color Picker tool, that's the eyedropper icon, then click on any green area inside your video preview window. This tells the software which color to remove. Super simple, but picking the wrong shade ruins the effect. Drag the strength slider to the right until the green background disappears completely. Then, here is the pro tip. Adjust the shadow slider to clean up any remaining green edges around your subject. This is what makes it look professional. That's it! Your green screen is gone and your subject now sits perfectly on any background.